Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer ETFs to Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer ETFs to Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, start by logging into your Schwab account. Navigate to the Accounts tab on the home page. Select Transfer from the drop-down menu. Choose Transfer an Account to begin the process. You will need to specify the type of account you want to transfer from. Select Brokerage Account if you're transferring from a brokerage account. Enter the details of the account you're transferring from. Provide the account number and the financial institution's name. Next, indicate the type of assets you want to transfer, selecting ETFs. Review the transfer eligibility requirements for ETFs. Ensure you understand any potential tax implications or fees associated with the transfer. Confirm that the ETF shares you wish to transfer are eligible for Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Submit any required documentation to initiate the transfer. Check your email for a confirmation message from Schwab regarding your transfer request. Monitor the status of your transfer in your Schwab account. Expect the transfer to take a few days to complete. Once the transfer is finalized, review your portfolio to ensure that your ETFs have been successfully added. You are now ready to manage your investments within Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.